This world is full of evil men. When you find good people, keep them. Oh, when you find good people, man, I've met good people in this life. I thank God. I've not met too many, but I've met good people in this life. Men who can take a bullet for you. You can turn your back and go to bed and guarantee. We are all human, but there are men who God has worked on in such an exceptional way. My prayer for you is, may you be one of such men, and then may you find such men in your life. I pray it again one more time. May you be one of such men. May you not be the reason for the pain of others. May you not go to bed knowing you cause pain for people. In the name of Jesus Christ. The world is in desperate need of good people, good preachers, good spouses, good parents. The quality of goodness is one of the major expressions of God's glory. Good master, what must I do to be saved? He said, no man is good except God. When you find men that are good, it means God dwells in them. They will watch you cry and they will come and clean you and say, why are you crying? Your tears are my tears. And you say, why are you doing this? I'm suspecting your hands are not clean. They will say, no, the overflow of the life of God is swallowed me up. Again, may you find such men.